stop. If you're thinking about buying MemoryBank AI, there's something you need to know first. Because this tool claims it can turn your life experience into $500, $1,000, even $2,000 per month passive income, without writing, without recording, without any skills. But is this actually real, or just another overhyped AI scam? Let's find out. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete honest review of MemoryBank AI. We'll go through what it actually does, how it works, who should use it, and whether it's worth your money. And yes, I've also included some exclusive bonuses that can help you turn this into a real income system. Trust me, these bonuses are what actually make this work. If you decide to get MemoryBank AI, make sure you use the link in the description. What is MemoryBank AI? MemoryBank AI is basically an AI-powered system that turns your life experience into digital products, like books, online courses, newsletters, coaching programs. And here's the crazy part, you don't write anything. You just answer a few simple questions, like a conversation, and the AI extracts your knowledge, turns it into a product, formats it and even publishes it. All in around 10 to 15 minutes. Benefits, why people are interested? Here's why this is blowing up right now. You tap into a $290 billion info product industry, no writing, no tech skills needed, multiple income streams from one idea. Platforms like Amazon and AMP, Udemy already have buyers and passive income, products sell 24/7. And the biggest emotional trigger? It turns your life experience into income, something most people never monetize. Inside MemoryBank AI, you're getting AI interview system, talk to product creation, book generator, 15,000 plus words, course creator with modules, newsletter content, 12 months ready, and coaching frameworks. Plus, auto-publishing to platforms, commercial license, keep 100% profit, unlimited product creation and cloud-based, works anywhere. This is basically like having a writer, a course creator, a publisher, all in one tool. Honest pros and cons. Now let's be real. Pros: beginner-friendly, no skills required, fast content creation, multiple income streams and very low one-time price. Cons: you still need to choose a good niche, results are not guaranteed, depends on effort, and quality depends on your input. So yes, it's powerful, but not magic. What kind of results you can expect? You can create books that generate monthly royalties, courses that sell for $50 to $200, newsletters with recurring income and coaching offers for high-ticket sales. Some users report $500 to $2,000 plus per month. But again, this is not instant money. It's a system you need to use properly. Now let's talk about the real game changer. If you buy through my link, you'll get Bonus 1. CashAI, worth $60, AI-powered ClickBank commission system, generate affiliate income automatically. Bonus 2. TraffixAI, worth $77, 401 buyer traffic sources, free traffic in just a few clicks. Bonus 3. Zyntri, worth $57, turn your Facebook account into an income machine, no ads, no content needed. Bonus 4. Xyro, worth $99, exploit X, Twitter, for free traffic, automated daily paydays. Bonus 5. Omnix, worth $79. Tap into massive AI website traffic, generate passive daily income. Total bonus value, $372 plus. Yours free when you grab MemoryBank AI today. So, is MemoryBank AI worth it? If you want passive income from your knowledge, no tech, beginner-friendly system and multiple income streams, then yes, it's worth trying. But don't expect magic. Take action equals results. So if you're ready to turn your experience into income, click the link in the description, grab MemoryBank AI and secure all bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.